Let's start with divisions. For that, let's go to the application, my tasks, and let's start a process where we can see the different options. Firstly, if I click in General Settings, this button will take me into the form configuration, and we go to the main division, and we select it. We can see all the different, we need to select it, all the different attributes and conditions and options. So here we can see the name. We can change it if we want it here, but it's fine. Description, we can add a description, we can add a design, and here we can select several options, which I'm going to explain in a second. So let's have a look to this first option, which is veil around division. So for that, I'm going to go back to execution, and I'm going to go to divisions. So if I click in here, it takes me to this division. This is a division where the option veil around division has been ticked, so it stands out of the rest. It means that, as you can see, the rest of the divisions are behind and are in a darker color. That's because the veil around division has been selected. If we click in division 2, we will see another option. In this case, is the excluder option. This division is checked as excluder. When it is triggered, the rest of the divisions are hidden. As you can see, we cannot see anything else. So let's go to settings, and let's see the configuration of those two divisions we just seen. So division 1, as you can see, the veil around division is selected. And if we go to division 2, the option excluder is selected. Now that we have seen these two options, we can go and check another option, that is the read only one. So if we go back here to the process and I go to general terms, I can see that I can add things in all the fields. Okay. But if I go to settings and I go to the division that was general terms, I can see here that I could select read only. When we select read only, we need to add a condition. We always need to set a condition that is easy to meet. So for example, I'm going to add the field phone number. I'm going to say that is different from, and let's add something that is quite unlikely to happen. So save and exit. And save and exit. So if we go back to execution, start another process, and go to general terms, now we can see that I cannot type anything. Okay, and that's because we set it up as a read only one. So if we go back here to the general terms one, okay, we can just change it back. Okay, now we have seen the veil around division option, the excluder option, the read only option. We have a few more. So let's check now another important one, that is trigger one. This allowed us to see all the triggers in a division. So if we go to the main one, let's go back now to configuration. Okay, and select red only and leave it as it was before. We have another option that is triggered. Okay, so if we go here, it will let us know the triggers that we have in this division. In this case, it will be in the general terms division. In this one, we have the close button that hides it. So if I'm in general terms division and I click on close, it will hide that division. And there's another trigger action that is from the main one. If we were in the main one, as we saw before, and we click on general terms, okay, it will show this general terms division. And the last option here would be conditioned, and it's simply to condition its presence. So we could condition a division and choose that it was when updating or when opening the task, that check the condition when opening the task. Now we know about the available attributes in a division.